we all have a signature body scent that's heavily influenced by your genetics, by your personal hygiene, by your environment, and your diet. Today, I'm gonna show you how to manipulate each of those categories so you can smell good every day. Now, the three categories will be environment, hygiene, and diet. Let's start with the category you probably don't think of. Number one, wear natural fabric. Look, synthetic fabrics are out. It's all about your natural fabrics like your cotton, your wool, your linen that give you that old money aesthetic. And this is a great thing because natural fabrics allow your skin to breathe better. Synthetic fabrics will trap heat, which causes your skin to sweat. That sweat will cause the bacteria that already lives on your skin to multiply, which gives you that bad odor. Two, I want you to spray your closet with your favorite fragrance. Most of your closets smell bad because of your shoes and your musty clothes. So grab a bottle of your favorite fragrance and just spray it around your closet. You can do this about once a week. This way, everything you put on already smells good, even if you forget to put on a fragrance. And if you do decide to put on a fragrance, you will now be doing something called fragrance stacking, which will create a completely unique scent profile to you. Three, have a diffuser in your car. I love car diffusers. This is actually a prototype for one of my brands, but I like to fill it with my favorite fragrance. Every time I'm in the car and I'm driving, it diffuses a pleasant aroma that's pleasant for me and a passenger. But the more important thing is that the fragrance gets dispersed through the car because of the AC and the molecules attached to your clothing. Now, no matter how bad you smell or how neutral you smell, every time you hop into your car, it's like a re-up zone where you can come out of it smelling great. Four, lightly spray your bed and your pillow sheets. Keep in mind, when you're in bed, it's hot, it's sweaty, it's oily, there's dead skin in your mattress and in your fabric. That's why when you wake up, you wake up smelling a little bit musty. If you spray this on your bed, your sheets will absorb those molecules, and as you sleep, you'll wake up refreshed. This is great for those people that don't like to shower in the morning. I'm not one of them, but if you do decide not to shower in the morning, at least you know you won't smell musty. All right, we're only 4 steps in. These next 4 will cover your personal hygiene to make sure that natural scent is attractive as possible. Starting with number 5, use a scent-free deodorant. Deodorants have tons of chemicals that can be strong, and they're supposed to be strong to help neutralize some of those bad odors. The problem is that they'll overmask these strong chemicals with overpowering synthetic scents that aren't too pleasant, which will then neutralize any of your good odor. A scent-free deodorant solves this. This is why our Heat Grooming main goal here was to make it scent-free so it wouldn't disrupt your natural scent and you could always smell great. Number 6, you need to scrub off the dirt. It is the sweat mixed with the dead skin cells, mixed with the bacteria that causes that really bad odor that lingers around on the top layer of your skin. On top of that, us as men, we tend to have larger sweat glands, and we're usually under more stress during work, which causes us to sweat even more and causes the bad smell to magnify. This is why you want to start your day by exfoliating your skin and scrubbing off all that dead skin, all that bacteria, to not give your sweat something to attach to. A great purchase is our Heat Grooming silicone scrubber. It has small bristles that are effective and designed to not only exfoliate the top layer of your skin, but also get into those pores, and it's easily washable and reusable, unlike a washcloth. Now, don't stop there. After you're done scrubbing down your skin, you're gonna need quality ingredients and natural oils. You need to rehydrate the skin. Remember, you just exfoliated and removed most of those natural oils that your skin needs to remain healthy. What you want to avoid are harsh body washes that will then re-dry your skin even further. So what I want you to do is grab your body wash, look behind it, and look for a chemical called sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLS. This is a common foaming agent you'll see across all your body washes that dry out your skin. This is why our Heat body wash, it doesn't lather up as much. That is on purpose. We're trying to cut back on skin dryness, and then we'll rehydrate your skin with natural oils like sandalwood and lavender, which also has a rich and delicious scent. Now, if you guys want to check out Heat Grooming, I'm gonna have it linked below. The entire bundle of a body wash, shampoo, conditioner, deodorant usually sells for $150, but for you guys today, I'm gonna give you 50% off if you subscribe, and then on top of that, I'm gonna gift you our silicone body scrubber that usually sells for around $50. Again, this is a limited time offer. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 7, layer fragrances. This is like layering clothing. It adds personality to what you wear. Now, the 3 layers you usually want to hit is the first layer. This is your base layer, and usually the scents come from your shampoo, your body wash, and your conditioner. You want to pick something light and not synthetic, and you want to try to find body washes, shampoos, and conditioners that have notes that will be complementary to whatever fragrance you're wearing. So good ones are bergamot, sandalwood, citrus, lavender, etc. Layer 2 is your body lotion. Body lotion is amazing at making you smell great all day. When you keep your skin hydrated, it won't be absorbing the oils off of your fragrance. The oils is exactly where you get that nice scent from. So now the oils tend to just sit on your skin and last longer. Now, a good trick you can do to make that body lotion that second layer is to do a few sprays of your favorite fragrance into your body lotion. Then you mix it, and now every time you apply it, you're applying that second layer of scent. This takes us to the third and final layer, which is the actual fragrance. This is when you get to choose the fragrance that you want to use for the day, what you're feeling like. And now all three layers will mix differently, creating a unique scent profile that's unique to you and that will change as the day progresses and layers start to peel off. 8. Apply Vaseline. Fragrances are made from a combination of oil and alcohol. When you apply fragrance to your skin, the oil gets absorbed by your skin and the alcohol then evaporates. This is exactly why you apply a fragrance and sometimes an hour or two later, you can't even smell it. So to extend the life of your fragrance for up to 5 hours, I want you to put Vaseline on your pulse points. Pulse points are where your veins run close to the skin. Once your blood starts pumping, it'll warm up these areas more than other areas of your skin and expand the fragrance. Well, when you put Vaseline first on these pulse points before putting fragrance, it creates almost a seal against your skin to allow the fragrance to stick onto the Vaseline and not be absorbed by the skin, allowing it to last longer. That is a total of 8 steps to start smelling better every day, but we have 2 more. This is our diet category, and the category everyone ignores, yet is the most important to make sure you smell great. Starting with number 9. You need to eat the right food. Certain foods helps neutralize free radicals in the body, which in turn helps minimize against cell damage and embarrassing odors. Foods like berries, nuts, seeds, leafy greens contain powerful antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids that destroy those free radicals. Furthermore, that whole myth of eating pineapple, it's actually true. Eat more pineapple, oranges, and limes, and your skin's gonna develop this sweet aroma. And finally, number 10, drink more water. This is great for flushing out toxins in the body and even better at neutralizing bad odors in your mouth from what you've recently eaten, like your garlic, your onions, or your coffee breath. Now, most of you probably don't drink enough water, so a trick I always like to talk about is infusing your water with a specific flavor. If you wanna take it a step up, I want you to infuse it with green tea. This is strategic. Not only will you be consuming more water because it tastes better, green tea will alkalize the mouth, reducing the amount of bacteria in your mouth. And remember, bacteria is what causes the bad odors. So naturally, as you're flushing away the odors, you're also alkalizing the mouth so your breath stays fresh.